Hi and welcome back to my channel, CoderKid. In today's video I'll be showing you what is CodePen, how to use it and the basics of CodePen. So let's first open a new tab and search up codepen.io. So I use it quite a lot, so it already comes up, and I also have it saved right here. So when you open CodePen, you can see the following screen. So pens are all the websites you've made. You can click on next to view more. And then projects are what you've created. You can have collections, and whatever you have deleted, you will have 3 days to restore it. You can view trending projects, other people's projects. So if we click on this, we can see the code, and we can see this right here. And then if we go back and click on following, we can see the people we are following. We can see their projects only right here. So we can search on CodePen for different projects. If I click on flower, it'll come up with different projects that have maybe flowers in it. You can click on your work as well when you search. So here you have your work. You can see it right here. That's this activity, and who liked your pen, who commented on your pen. You can have pinned items, and you can also have different collections and projects and create new ones. So you can see who you're following, what's trending, and challenges, spark, and upgrade to CodePen Pro. So the challenges. So each week you'll get a new prompt surrounding a monthly theme to riff on. The best pens get picked and featured on the homepage. So you can see different CodePen projects. So this one, September, was about light. So they created a project about light, summer, layouts, patterns, and many more. You can search them on CodePen. So if we click on pen, and so this here is where your HTML goes. You have, click on the enter button, see all your different lines, type code in. And then here's where your CSS is, and here's where your JS, your JavaScript, goes. So here you can hover over this line and just bring it up if you want to see it a bit more, or you can go completely down so you can see more of your code. If you want a full view, you can click on this right here to see it like this, all the different views. So if we lift that back up, you can see the different views here. I keep it on this normal view. So if we click on assets, you can't upload a file from your own device unless you have Pro's feature. You can click on a color, and then it's copied to clipboard. So if I just paste that, and then it'll come up. And then photos, you can click on a photo and then it's copied to your clipboard. You can search photos here, or you can go on Google, search up an image, and then right click on the image and select copy image address, and then that's copied to clipboard, and then you paste it wherever you want in your code. You have patterns here and icons and fonts. Now, to save the project, you can click on save here, or you can click on Control S. And you can see here autosave enabled and pen saved right there. So if we click on this pen button, we can rename our project. So I'm just going to name it to pen. And then we can also click on debug mode, which shows us the project in full website mode. So we can just write some random text, click on save, click on the change view, and then debug mode. and then you can see the text on the website. You can copy this link and share it with friends. Live view, collab mode, professor mode and presentation mode, they are all pro features. So if you wanted them, you have to upgrade to pro. Now you can pin an item if you want, and you can like your project using this like button here as well. So now if we open up CodePen in a new tab, and then we can see it's got one like. You can like it from here as well. You can comment and you can see who has viewed it. If you click on this, you can delete it, and if you want to make it private, you have to have the pro mode. You can pin it and add it to a collection. So you can search any project on CodePen if you wanted some inspiration. To upgrade to pro, you have to scroll down, click on CodePen Pro, and then you can scroll down here if you wanted, or go up, sign up now, and then you can see annual starter, annual developer, and you can see what you've got. Click on upgrade and enter the details in. So now on here we have all the 3 different sections. You can see it here. You can also view the comments here. Shortcuts. So if you click on Control Space, it's autocomplete, and here Control Shift and the dash here, block comment. You can have lots and lots of these. Save as private, Control Shift S, but that's only for pro. You can click on Console too to review the console. So that is where the HTML goes, where the CSS goes, and where the JS goes, and how you can view your project. You can rename it right here. You can click on save by clicking on this, and you can like it by using this. Those are the main basics of CodePen and the design of CodePen and how to view things. So that's it for today's video. Please subscribe, like and share. And if you enjoyed, please write in the comments what you enjoyed about this video. And if you still have any questions about CodePen, make sure to write them down in the comments section. So that's it for today. Bye!